Welcome to Chasing Curiosity TV. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Breaking news: Philippines unveils a $15 billion energy giant. Batan's industrial heartbeat goes global. These aren't just headlines, they're declarations of a new era. Deep in Batan, the Batan Refinery rises as a symbol of Filipino ambition and ingenuity. More than a factory, it's a bold step toward energy independence and economic strength. This isn't just a local story, it's a regional game-changer. The refinery is one of Southeast Asia's most advanced industrial facilities, a $15 billion investment in the nation's future. Here, on Batan's shores, the future is forged in steel and fire. The energy produced here powers millions, promising stability and prosperity. Imagine a single facility touching every corner of the archipelago. That's the Batan Refinery. It fuels cars, powers factories, and lights up homes across the nation. From Manila's bustling streets to Mindanao's farthest islands, its influence is everywhere. This refinery is woven into the fabric of Filipino life, a silent partner in every daily journey. It's a story of hope and a nation taking control of its destiny. In a world of uncertain energy, this facility is a crucial buffer. It ensures a steady, reliable fuel supply for growth and progress. It's a beacon of self-reliance, showing what's possible with vision and national pride. The Batan Refinery is more than an industrial marvel. It's the engine of a nation's dream. It hums with the promise of a brighter tomorrow for all Filipinos. This is the dawn of a new era for Philippine energy. The refinery stands as a testament to what the Filipino spirit can achieve, and its story is just beginning. To grasp the Batan Refinery, you must see its scale. This is an industrial city, not just a factory. Vast networks of pipes, towers, and tanks stretch to the horizon. Silver towers pierce the sky, releasing clean steam. Thousands of kilometers of pipelines move materials with precision. The facility processes 180,000 barrels of crude oil daily, enough to fill hundreds of Olympic pools. Storage tanks here are colossal, holding millions of barrels. The operation is a dance of chemistry and engineering, managed by thousands of skilled workers and advanced computer systems. Built to withstand typhoons and earthquakes, its engineering is world-class. Distillation columns, some of the country's tallest, maximize efficiency and safety. A central command center monitors every process in real time. It's a blend of brute strength and delicate precision, a true industrial titan. The refinery is a city dedicated to transforming raw resources into energy. Every element from deep water ports to processing units serves a vital function. The Batan Refinery is a living organism, a symbol of power and progress. It stands proudly on the coast, a landmark of Philippine capability. The Batan Refinery's impact reaches every Filipino home and business. It's the primary source of the nation's fuel, powering cars, buses, trucks, and generators. The refinery keeps the country moving and industries running. It produces LPG for kitchens, fuel oil for factories, and asphalt for roads. Without its steady output, commerce would grind to a halt. The refinery's reach extends into every home. LPG for cooking, fuel for power plants, electricity for schools and hospitals. It's a fundamental contributor to quality of life. Energy's journey starts as crude oil, arrives in Batan, transforms and travels nationwide. It becomes motion in a rural tricycle, light in a Cebu bedroom, power in a Davao factory. The refinery is the critical link in this chain. It pumps the lifeblood of energy throughout the nation. Progress and development depend on its output. Every Filipino's daily life is touched by its products. The refinery is the heart of the nation's energy. It ensures that growth and opportunity reach everyone. The story of energy in the Philippines begins and continues here. The Batan Refinery's story is one of evolution and resilience. It began in the 1960s as a modest facility, a first step toward energy self-sufficiency. As the nation grew, so did its energy needs. Petron launched the ambitious Refinery Master Plan 2, a complete transformation. This was one of the largest construction projects in Philippine history. The goal: build a world-class refinery without disrupting the nation's fuel supply. Filipino engineers and workers modernized the facility, installing advanced technologies. Production capacity soared, meeting the demands of a growing economy. The refinery leapt into the 21st century, becoming one of Asia-Pacific's most sophisticated. Today, it stands as a symbol of ambition and capability. The legacy is one of continuous improvement and national commitment. The refinery's journey proves vision and determination can build a legacy for generations. Inside the Batan Refinery, crude oil undergoes a remarkable transformation. Tanker ships deliver oil, which is pumped into storage tanks and then into the crude distillation unit. Heated to over 400 degrees Celsius, the oil vaporizes and rises through a distillation tower. Different components condense at various heights, heavy fractions at the bottom, lighter ones at the top. This separation is the foundation of refining. But the process goes further. Secondary units crack heavy oils into valuable fuels. Impurities like sulfur are removed, creating cleaner products. Blending is the final step, mixing components to meet strict quality standards. The result? Gasoline, jet fuel, LPG, and asphalt from a single barrel of crude. The refinery is like a master chef, crafting fuels for every need. Each product is stored, ready for nationwide distribution. This transformation powers cars, planes, kitchens, and roads. It's modern alchemy, fueling the nation's progress. The Petron Bataan refinery is not just massive, it's smart and safe. Managed from a high-tech central control room, operators monitor real-time data from thousands of sensors. Advanced digital systems optimize production and prevent problems before they start. Efficiency is key. Modern units extract maximum value from every barrel. Technologies like the coker unit turn residue into valuable fuels, minimizing waste. Heat exchange systems recycle energy, reducing consumption and emissions. Safety is paramount. Automated systems detect and respond to issues instantly. Fire and gas detection, emergency shutdowns, and pressure relief are all in place. Every worker undergoes rigorous safety training and regular drills. Personal protective equipment and a safety-first mindset are standard. The refinery's culture ensures everyone is responsible for safety. This blend of technology and vigilance makes it a model for responsible industry. Large-scale production here is always done safely. The Petron Bataan refinery is a vital partner for Bataan's communities. It provides thousands of stable, high-quality jobs, engineers, technicians, safety officers, and more. The refinery supports local contractors and businesses, creating a ripple effect of opportunity. Salaries boost the local economy, improving lives and funding public services. Petron is a major taxpayer, helping build roads, schools, and healthcare. The company invests in education, health and environmental programs, scholarships, medical missions, and cleanup drives. Community engagement builds trust and partnership. Petron works with local leaders to address real needs. The refinery is an integral part of the community's fabric. It fuels not just cars but the hopes and dreams of Bataan. Running a massive refinery means protecting the environment is a top priority. Petron Bataan Refinery invests in cutting-edge environmental technologies. It produces cleaner fuels with reduced sulfur, meeting strict global standards. Emissions are minimized with flare gas recovery and continuous monitoring. A sophisticated wastewater treatment plant ensures water is clean before discharge. Rainwater collection and recycling reduce freshwater use. Petron leads reforestation and mangrove planting, restoring local ecosystems. The refinery partners to protect marine biodiversity, including sea turtle sanctuaries. Environmental responsibility goes beyond compliance. It's a core value. The refinery is building a positive legacy for a greener tomorrow. In a volatile world, energy security is national security. The Petron Bataan Refinery is a fortress for the Philippines' energy independence. Refining oil locally ensures a reliable domestic fuel supply. It reduces dependence on imported fuels and buffers against global disruptions. The refinery's storage acts as a strategic reserve. It gives the nation control over its energy destiny. Sourcing crude from diverse suppliers adds flexibility and resilience. The refinery is a symbol of Filipino capability and pride. It inspires future generations of engineers and workers. The facility proves the nation can manage complex infrastructure. It's a model for responsible industry, balancing growth, environment, and community. The Petron Bataan Refinery lights up homes and fuels cars. Most importantly, it illuminates the path to a secure, prosperous future for the Philippines.